Good morning to all. Sai Ram. How are you all? Superb. Nice. Good. I hope you are very well at your places. Children, are you studying at home? Have you completed your notebook work? Yes. Are you practicing the questions at home? Good. See, if you are following these things, I appreciate your work. A very good luck to all for this, because after few months you will be having your essay 1 exam. Okay, so you have to prepare yourself. So again I am here with your same chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, see children, what you all have to do is you all have to practice the exercise which I have already provided you as a PDF. Okay, so today I am going to take your some of the topics. Let's see. First one is factor. What is factor? Do you know? Yes. What do you mean by factor? Factors are a number or expression that divide another number or expression evenly. Okay? A number or expressions that divide another number or expression evenly. It means if 12 is given, it is completely divided by 2. It means what? That is only the factor. A number that are multiplied together to get a product. It means we are multiplying two numbers. 2 multiply 6 equals to 12. It means the factor of the 12 are 2 and 6. Got it? Same way it is given 7 multiplied 8, that is equals to 56. So the factor of 56 are 7 and 8. So this is only known as, or you can say, the definition of factor. It means if any number is given and the number which is coming in others table, it means that number is the factor of that number. Okay, if I am telling you for 4, so it means 4 is coming in the table of 1, 2 and 4. It means these are the factor of 4. Now our first topic is common factor. What do you mean by common factor? Yes, when two numbers share a factor, that factor is called common factor. When two numbers share a factor, that factor is called common factors. It means two numbers are given to you and they share their factors. It means they share their numbers, which are, that factor is only known as common factor. It means two numbers are there, they are having the same share factor, so that number will be termed as common factor. Factor you know, and common means that is same, see, similar in both the numbers. Okay, or you can say factors that two or more numbers share. Factors that two or more numbers share. Factors that two or more numbers share. You can see here, that is common factors. Factors that two or more numbers share. It means both are having one thing that is similar, so they share with each other. As you can see here, see, you can look at this diagram. What is given here? It is written factor of one number is here, factor of another number is here. Okay, factor of one number is given here and factor of another number is given here, but in both the numbers there is one similar thing common, this shaded part. Okay, this shaded part. So that is the common factor for both the numbers. That is common factor for both the numbers. Again I am repeating, common factors are what? Factors that two or more numbers share. It means One is your friend Amit and another is friend Rahul. Both are having similar things. Okay, so if you are he is having Munch chocolate and Dairy Milk chocolate. He is having Milky Bar and Kit Kat. Okay, but he is having also Dairy Milk and he is also having Dairy Milk. Okay, if he's having 3 chocolates and he's having 2 chocolates, that is Dairy Milk and Kit Kat, and he's having Milky Bar and Dairy Milk. Okay, so which is the common one both are having? That is Dairy Milk. Same way, when 2 factors and that Dairy Milk they are giving to their another friend, so that Dairy Milk is the common factor for both the friends. It means that Dairy Milk is common for they have share. Okay, factors that 2 or more numbers share, they have shared to their friend. It means that the common thing which they were having, they have shared that. Same way it is given here, factors of 2 and 4. Okay, what will be the factor of 2 and 4? 2 will come in the table of 1 and 2. 4 will come in the table of 1, 2 and 4. So if in terms of this type of diagram, you will see what will be common. This 1 and 2 will be common. This 1 and 2 will be common for both. As you can see in the diagram also here, factors of 2 and 4 is 1 and 2. See here in the shaded part it is given. Same way they have done for this 12 and 30. For the factors of 12 and 30, it is given here 4 and 12, 10, 15, 30 and 5. So what is the common in between them? You have, it is that shaded part. You have to find that in which days are coming and you have to take the common one. Okay, that I will tell you here. Now see, you can see here the example is given. Find the common factors for 75, 60 and 210. Okay, so what is given here? Factors for 75, first of all we will take 75 is coming in the table of 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. These are the factor for 75. Okay, now we will look for the factor for 60. Okay, so factor for 60 will be 1, 2, 3. See, as you can see how I am telling 2, because 2 completely divide 60 in it. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 10 6 is 60, 12, 15, 30 and the number itself, that is 60. Factors of 210 are these numbers which is given here. Okay, these are the number for the factors of 210. Now thus you have to find the common factor of 75, 60 and 210. Okay, so what will be common for them? Common will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the numbers which is common for these things. Okay, 75, 60 and 210. For this number, the common factor for these are this number. Okay, yes, it means 1 is coming in all the 3 tables on all the 3 factors, 3 and 5, and same ways 15 is coming in all the 3 factors. Okay, now we proceed for common multiples. What are common multiples? Common multiples are, you can say, the smallest that is multiple of 2 or more numbers. Okay, common multiple means the smallest that is multiple of 2 or more numbers. Or you can simply say that if you are given any number, that find the multiple of this number, you just write down the table for that number. It is the easy and the best method for you. If it is saying that find the first 2 multiple of the table for 2, find 5 multiples of 2. common multiple of 2. So you just write the table of 2 how many times? Up to 5. 2 5 jatak. Okay, got it? It is the simplest way. As you can see here, find first 3 common multiple of 6 and 12. But here it is saying the common multiple. It means multiple, but it should be similar for both these. Like I am taking 6 here and 12 here. Write down 6 will come in the table of 1. Always if we are finding the factor, so 1 is the number which is the factor of every number. Okay, so 1, then 6 will come in the table of 2, then 3, then it will not come in the table of 4, not come in the table of 5, it will come in the table of 6 last. Same way 12 will come in the table of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now we will check for the common multiple. See, this is the common multiple. 1 1, 2 common multiple, 3 common, 4 is here but not there. Same way 6 is common. So the answer for this will be, first you will write like this, then you will write the common multiple of 6 and 12 are 1, 2, 6. Okay. Yes. So, but here class, which I have explained you now, see that was for the factors. Okay, factors. Oh, okay, sorry, because here it is given that multiple. So I have already told you, if you are given any multiple, okay, so what you have to do, you just write the table for that. So what will be the answer for this question? Again I am repeating. See, that was which I have explained now, that was for factor. Sorry. Okay, now but the question is common multiple. Don't mix up. So if multiple comes in the question, your mind should be set up that write the table for that. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36. Same we will write the table so on. Okay. Now we'll take the 12 table. 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. Okay, so what will be common? See, here is no space, so I am writing like this. What will be common? 6. Oh, not 6, sorry, 12, because 12 is here, 12 is here. 18 is here but not here. 24 is here, 24 is here. So this will be common. Same way you can see that 36 is here, 36 is here. So this will be common for the common multiple of 6 and 12. You can proceed more because space is not here. You have to write the table up to 10. 6 10 is 60 and 12 10 is 120 tak. You can see, don't write full table of 12 because we have to match, because to 6 10 is 60, you take the table up to that part up where the table like 12 7 84 is greater than 60, you take nearby 60 or 65. Okay, for the table of 12. Now next topic is co-prime. What is the next topic? Co-prime. As we have discussed even numbers, odd numbers, so next topic is co-prime. Two numbers having 1 as a common factor. It means two numbers having 1. It means one number, not one number, having 1. It means the answer of there is 1. One number, answer for them is 1, not one number. Okay, 1 O-N-E 1 as a common factor. So that numbers are called co-prime numbers. Got it? Like see, I am telling you, write the factor for 18. 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36. Same way, so on you can write. I write the table for 35. 35 1 is 35, and then 35 2 is 17. So on you will take, so nothing will come as a common. So, but I have already told you that every number is the factor, 1 is the factor of every number. So here also 1 will come. First of all you have to write for the factor, 1 should be your first priority, then you will proceed for the 2, 3, 4, that then you will check like that. So first the table of 18, first of all you have to just close your eye and write 1, because 1 is the factor of every number. So but our topic is here is that is co-prime. So co-prime means when the two numbers having common factor, what common factor as an answer 1. So as you can see here, 1 is the only common factor for this number. So it means these two numbers are co-prime numbers. It means nothing is common in them. Only one is only the answer for this. These numbers are co-prime. So what we have discussed today? We have discussed the common multiple and common factors and co-prime. So students, you have to complete this homework. Rest of the things I will take in next class. So you complete this homework. Find the common factor of 12, 14, 18. Find the common multiple of 8, 9 and 12. Factors you write for 18. Factors you write for 24. Find the common multiple of 24 and 12. Okay, so this is the homework. Whatever we have discussed today, go through it. Rest we will do in our next class. I will explain you rest of the things in next. So take care. Sai Ram.